Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. This is my very first video ever. I've been wanting to make a video about, a purse, or I love to watch what's in my bag videos, what's in my purse, how they packed, how they clean. But now that I'm a mommy, all I watch now is what's in my diaper bag, how do I pack my diaper bag, reviews, and I've been enjoying it. So now I want to give my share of to the community about diaper bags. So right now I've been loving Mina Bae's mini Emmy. You guys can see I have the nylon gold hardware version. I love mini bags. I feel that they look better on my body type. I never liked bulky big bags. Maybe back in the day, but not anymore. And so this is what I pack. My diaper bag. Like you see, she's packing. Oops, I should have fell already. As we can see now in this pocket, what fell was my Betsy Johnson wallet. Just has the cards, bills, nothing too interesting. And in the other pocket next to it, it fell off, is this Bath and Body Works lip gloss. From that same pocket, Jeffree Star's the gloss. Fragrance Mist, Bath and Body Works Love Collection. I also carry in there the hand lotion, okay, from Love as well. Love the smell. You gotta smell good too, mommies. Chapstick candy cane. Native deodorant, mini version. And ladies, everybody in general, this is a lifesaver. The potpourri on the go. When you have to go, you have to go. And I hate when bathroom stinks. And come on. We all know poop doesn't smell great. The next other small compartments. Here I carry tissue, Target. And the next one, I would carry my portable battery charger, but I don't usually carry it because I don't go far. And if I do go far, I usually come back right away. And another one is my Beats wireless. And the zipper pocket carries this, my insurance cards, or other cards that don't fit in my wallet. Masks, a kid mask for my daughter, and just a pink one. Also in the bigger compartment, changing pad. Diapers. My daughter's currently using the size 7 from the Target brand. Just the line here, and then usually fits 2, a bit more, but I don't carry much. And the plastic bag. Like I said, the poop doesn't smell great. And baby orchids. Oh, orchid hearts pouch. This just has cupcakes. Sorry. And here I carry a water bottle. I don't need it right now, but just to give you like reference size, this is like an odd shaped one. From Tupperware. It fits. With all that stuff, it fits. And straw and that same thing for my daughter. And that's what I carry inside. I don't carry anything else. On the outside, I don't carry nothing in the small one. On this side, I do carry my keys. On this side, Bath & Body Works hand sanitizer spray. Good. And that's pretty much it, guys. Don't carry a lot. As you can see, I do like to add little decorative items to my bag, like this. I'm a Dunkin' Donuts coffee addict. So is my best friend. Thank you, Baie. Christmas gift. And yeah, it also has a backpack. But I don't like those. I don't like to carry these kind of bags as backpacks. I don't think it looks good personally. But if you do wear it, hey, each their own, just not my taste. I love this. Perfect. Anyway, guys, that was my video. I hope you enjoyed it, and thank you for watching. Hope to see you soon. Bye, guys. Hola a todo el mundo. Special appearance. Bye, guys.